هذا بيت. هذه شجرة.
Let's kick this lesson off with the Arabic alphabet. The first letter in Arabic alphabet is
ألف.
That is the name of this letter. But its sound in speaking is This Arabic letter is indeed similar to the letter A in English in terms of the sound they represent. And this is how we draw this letter. Very simple. Let's see it again. The second letter is
باء.
As we see, that is the name of this letter. But the sound of this letter in speaking is
ب.
This Arabic letter is indeed similar to the letter B in English in terms of the sound they represent. Both letters produce the sound made by bringing both lips together and then releasing them. And let's see how we draw this letter. As we notice, there are different shapes of this letter depending on its position in a word. This is how we draw this letter when it comes at the beginning of a word. But when it appears in the middle of a word, we draw it in a specific way so that it has two arms on both sides to connect with the letters that come before and after it. When it comes at the end of a word, we either draw it with an arm so that it connects to the previous letter, or we draw this letter without any arm just like that, as we'll study later in detail. Very simple. Let's draw it again. And now, let's take some examples.
بابا.
Which means dad or father in English.
باب.
Which means a door in English. And that's all for today. See you in next lesson. Have a good time with learning Arabic.